Today we're going to be looking at and doing a little bit of a review of these LED berry lights. So we picked these up after having a look around some of the shops to see what they had to offer. Got them from Home Bargains. They were very reasonably priced as well. Now I'm not a massive fan of LED, but at the moment Christmas lights cost quite a few quid to run. A set of classic 20 lights, you're talking 21 watt at least to run them. These are a lot less. Look at the back, made by Prestige, and there you go. These are 3.6 watt. I love it when they put information like this on. First spotted that on Premier Lights. I believe they were one of the first ones to start putting that on. So adapter to the first bulb with 5 meters. You get a total length of 15 meters. You get 10 meters of lights, and the spacing between them is 10 centimeters, so quite a lot. Now I got these for a garland to go round the front door. If anybody's interested in watching me build that, let us know in the comments below and I'll film myself making it. At the moment I've got a set of berry lights going around the front door and some warm white LEDs, and as I mentioned in a previous video, the holly lights, they're holly berry lights. They only lasted 2 years and they're supposed to be for outdoor use and they just didn't last. So I think once I build the garland, I'll probably take it down after it's finished and store it away. So first of all, the box. I'd like to see some plastic protection on here to stop people poking and prodding around with lights, but it's a good solid box. Again, indoor or outdoor use. Quite a substantial weight to them. Here's our adapter. It looks very similar to the adapters that we saw on the Aldi Yuletide Nostalgia lights, but this one doesn't have any kind of a timer or a switch on it. Ingress protection 20. There's your rubber O-ring on the plug. Stop moisture getting in. It's polarity marked as well, which is nice. It only goes in one way due to this bit of plastic here acting as a key. So that's that. But it's nice you can take the adapter off. The adapter weighs absolutely nothing. No weight to it. What have we got on here? So the adapter is ingress protection 20 and the rest of the lights are 44. So in other words, don't put this in direct water. So there's our big clump of cable. I'm going to leave that all wrapped up for the time being. So there's your spacing between your bulbs. Nice braiding, it's triple braided. Feels like they're quite well sealed. Let's turn them on. Wow, they are ridiculously bright. Super bright. Even from sideways on, but more so when you look at them a bit more directly. So the berries are acting like little lenses. Yeah, they are super bright. Again, substantial weight to them. They feel pretty well made. Can't see any signs of broken ones or berries missing. Now, although they are for indoor outdoor use, I think these would be a bit too bright for indoor use. They're very glary. I think if the berries were more opaque coloured, they'd be a bit more nicer to look at, especially for indoor use, but I'm going to use mine outdoors. I quite like them for the price, and you get 100 berries. I think they're pretty reasonably priced. I give these a thumbs up. I recommend them. Again, time will tell. We'll get them outside and we'll see how they last in the cold winter weather. Again, if anybody wants me to film me building this garland that I'm going to put around the front door, let us know below and I'll do a video on that. But yeah, that's all we've got for this one. Just a little quick review video, and you get to see what they look like before you buy, and I'll catch you on the next one.